Okay, dear students, we are in JEE Mathematics and we are in Matrices chapter. And in this class, we are going to solve 2021 questions. Why? Because last class we have solved 2020 questions. Today we are going to solve four numbers of 2021 questions. Okay. See, the values of k and m such that system of equations 3x plus 2y minus kz is equal to 10. K is here, k. X minus 2y plus 3z is equal to 3. Here no k, no m. X plus 2y minus 3z is equal to 5m. Here m is there. Okay. And this should be inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. Okay. Let us see. We know very well. And okay, let me write first matrix A and we will find determinant here. Matrix A is, see, 3, 2, minus k, 1, minus 2, 3, 1, 2, minus 3. Okay? 1, 2, minus 3. 1, minus 2, 3. 3, 2, minus k. Okay, now I am finding determinant of A is equal to 3 times of, see, 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6, 0. Minus 2 times of minus 3, minus 3. Okay? And minus k times of, actually plus, but here already minus is there. Okay? 2 plus 2. Okay, that is equal to, see, this is 0. See, minus 6 into 2, minus 2. 12 plus 12. 12 minus 4 into k, 4k. Okay, see, this is determinant of A. Okay, and wait, why? Because see, determinant of AD also you have to find, then only we will go for rank. Based on rank, we can say whether the system is inconsistent or consistent, like, okay. Now, let me go for determinant, what we can say, augmented matrix. Augmented matrix AD is equal to, see what I am doing, I don't want k now. Okay, k I am not taking, this column I am not taking, but first two columns I am taking. 3, 1, 1, 2, minus 2, 2. See, this column I am not taking, but 10, 3, 5m. Okay, now find determinant of AD, augmented matrix determinant. You see, 3 times of, see, minus 10m, minus 6. Is it okay? See, 3 times of minus 10m, minus 6. Okay, and minus 2 times of 5m minus 3. 5m minus 3. Okay, plus 10 times of, see, 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Okay. Now, let us go. See, minus 30m, minus 18, minus 10m, plus 6, plus 40. Okay, 4 into 10. Okay, see, 46 minus 18. 46 minus 18. 8, 2, 28. Okay? 16 minus 8, 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay? Now, see, minus 38 minus 10. Total how much it is? Minus 40. Okay, this is also one, what we can say, determinant. Now go one by one. Why? Because here not only one answer, two answers are going to come. A and C both are correct. Okay. How it comes under? Let us see. Why? Because see, both should be inconsistent. Sorry, inconsistent means both ranks should be different. Then you can call inconsistent. Okay. Now see, first at A implies k is equal to 3 m is not equal to 7 by 10. See, not equal to 7 by 10 means wait, we will make equal to 7 by 10, then we will take different what we can say, analogy. Now go for determinant of A. Determinant of A means 12 minus 4 into k is 3, that means 12 minus 12, that is equal to 0. See, at A, if determinant A is 0, then you go back inside. If you go inside, you see minus 6, minus 2, minus 8, this is not 0. Overall determinant is 0, but inside if you go not 0 means rank is 2. Rank of A is equal to 2. Okay, this you keep in your mind. Okay, now go for what we can say, determinant, rank of this, determinant of AD. Determinant of AD is equal to, see, 28 minus 40 into, see, m not equal to 7 by 10, that means, see, what we can say, not equal to 7 by 10. I am keeping, see, 10 going to get cancelled out, that means, see, 28 not minus of 28, that is not equal to 0. Understand why? 7 by 10 we are not taking. Why? 7 by 10 is not equal, m is not 7 by 10, that is why 7 by 10 we are not taking. 7 by 10, if you take 28 minus 28, it is going to become 0. If it is 0, if you go back inside, same determinant, rank is going to become 2. Then both ranks are same means not inconsistent, it is consistent. Maybe infinitely many solution. That is why this answer is correct. Okay? If m is not 7 by 10, automatically this is different from this. That we can say. Different from this, see, rank is 3. Why? Because when it is not equal to, implies rank of AD is equal to 3. That's all. When m is not 7 by 10, then rank will be, this is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means automatically rank will be 3. Rank 2, rank 3. Both are different, inconsistent. No solution. Okay, that is one thing. Go for C also. Go for C also. After C, k is not equal to 2 and m is equal to 7 by 10. Now I am first finding this rank. Rank of AD. Rank of AD means determinant of AD I am finding. Let's see. Determinant of AD is equal to 28 minus 40 into 7 by 10. Okay, reverse I am coming. Okay, that means see, 28 minus 28 equal to 0. If overall determinant is 0, then go inside. See, minus 6 minus 2 minus 8. This is not equal to 0. That means rank of AD is 2. Rank of AD is equal to 2. Okay. Now come back again. Now determinant of A. 12 minus 4k. 12 minus, see, k is not equal to 3. That means see, 4 into 3 but not equal to. 4 into not equal to 3. That means see, 12 minus not 12. If it is 12 minus 12, again it is going to become 0, and if you go back again, this is going to become not 0, then rank is going to become 2. Both ranks are same, then this is going to become consistent. But you require inconsistent. That means if k is not equal to 3 and m is 7 by 10 also, then automatically this rank is going to become 3. Rank of A is 3, rank of AD is 2. Again, inconsistent. That means here two answers are there, A and C. Okay, let us go for next question.